How's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your iPhone to your Dji Osmo Mobile 2. As you can see from mine, I actually have had mine for about, I think, a month almost, and although I have another DJI product that I also use, I'm going to basically show you how to pair it and what to expect when you first pair it. So as you can see, this Osmo Mobile 2 runs off of Bluetooth. So you will need your Bluetooth enabled in order to connect with your Osmo Mobile 2. So as you can see, since I've had mine for about a month, I actually renamed mine a different name. So you can rename your Mobile 2, your Osmo Mobile 2, if you want to, just be different. I mean, I've got like a lot of different Bluetooth devices that I pair to my phone. So having a different name usually helps me know which one I'm connecting versus what's not connected. So we will start off with, first things first, you will want to download the DJI app. That's the first thing you'll have to do. And what you do is you swipe to your, you basically will swipe to whichever device it's that you're using, which in this case would be the Osmo Mobile 2. So you're going to swipe all the way to get to the DJI Mobile 2, and what you're going to do is it's going to say connect to your device. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to connect your phone to your mobile. So what you're going to end up doing is we are going to pair, as you can see, I'm going to connect this to my mobile device, or my phone to this, since I'm going to be doing this in landscape mode, not portrait, not landscape, excuse me. And as you can see, you want it to be as level as possible when you connect it. It might take you might take you a few tries to actually get it leveled, but once you get it leveled, it's pretty easy as you go on about using it on a more daily basis. And the first thing you're going to do is you are going to make sure again that your Bluetooth is turned on. As I've already had mine renamed, we are just going to turn on the device, obviously, power button, just basically tap, then hold it again, and then as you can see, it gives you a green steady light. And what we're going to do is we are going to connect to the device. So what you're going to do is, as you can see, it's not showing it, so if it doesn't show it, you hit the refresh, and as you can see, it connects. So first thing you're going to do is it'll give you like a bunch of different types of pop up a few notifications, and you click on a few of them. I forget exactly what it was, but once it brings you to this screen, you will hit the little settings button, which is represented by a little like kind of clock wheel thing. Tap on that, and then it'll bring you up to a sub menu where it says camera, gimbal, general, live. First thing you want to do is hit the gimbal, and then you're going to hit auto calibration. So you tap on that, and then this brings it up. You want to make sure that it is on a stable platform so that when it calibrates, it makes it easier for you to steady your phone on the gimbal, so it's not like looks like it's either tilting too high up or too high down. You got to always adjust every time you're moving around. So you're going to hit OK, and then what it's going to do is it's going to take it a few seconds, and then what it'll do is it will go into its calibrating gimbal mode, and it takes it a couple of seconds, about a minute or two, and then once it's done, as you can see as it's going through this, and then once it's done pairing up with, or once it's done calibrating, then your DJI Osmo Mobile 2 will be ready for you to take it out and basically go do what you need to get done. Take your videos. As you can see, it's running pretty fast. You'll want to do this every time that you are getting ready to use your Osmo Mobile 2. And you can only do the calibration when it's in, as you can see, gimbal calibrated. And you can only do this while it's in landscape. You can't do it in portrait, it will not let you. So basically, we're gonna keep it in the landscape mode, which is what I prefer to do it in 90% of the time. Every time you connect it, you want to make sure that it's leveled and stable. Then make sure it's on a stable platform. As you can see, I am using a tripod. That would work. I'll leave a link in the description on what I use for my Osmo Mobile. And then once you have it on a solid platform and make sure it doesn't move, you calibrate it. And then once the calibration is done, that's pretty much it. Nothing else to do. So this is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. That way you'll never miss a video. Thanks.